here on CSS Battle, and I wanted to use my voice because using text overlay was kind of a little hard to do, and this is so much easier just explaining it over the thing. Let's just do these basic deletes. Let's get the body to the background real quick. And what in the world? Oh, you know what? My bad. All right, backgrounds, and voila. I like to do the margin 0. I'm just curious, what would this look like? Border top, I don't know, 2 pixels, dotted blue. So what we'll do a border top. What if I do 20 pixels? Oh, that looks like a 40. That does look like a 40. So what if I change this blue for this? And that's only 1. Wait, what did I do? I want this color. How rude. There we go. And let's see, the background also I want to be. Oh, that does not work, does it? Because it's still inside of it. Wait a minute. Does padding do anything? Nope, still does not change that. So I don't think I can do a border because I don't know how to distance the border away from the div. There's a space between them. And I thought that would be a padding unless, let's see, the div has that. No, I don't think I can do that. I don't see how I can separate this from this as a border, but I mean it's still a border. You know what? I don't think I need to do. I have an idea. As a matter of fact, what if I take away that background, make this width 200? Oh, I still can't do it because it's still too wide. Okay, you know what? This is a process that I usually skip and to show you how I do it all, but I think it'd just be easier to make 3 divs and make this a box shadow, make this a square. I mean, there's probably some fancy way, but I'm just like trying to make it simple here and show y'all what I'm thinking, and y'all can leave a comment and tell me what y'all think, or y'all's thinks process. But I mean, look, I mean, it is 3, but I can't get those together. Like, how would you even get, see, 40 pixels dotted? You can't like shrink those dotted because they're just, I mean, even if I go to 200 or 100, it's only 1. That's not really worth it. But this is 1 div, and I just need 2 more divs, so why don't I just do this? Make it 3 divs. And let's see, the height is not going to be 100. Let's see, the height is probably, what, 50? Give or take. Or maybe 40. Let's do 40 right now. And let's go ahead and center this thing. Let's see if I do flat. Oh yeah, display. Wait, if I do display grid, I can do place content center. And I also need to do a height of 100%. Bada bing, bada boom. But I still need this to be lowered. Alright, this thing wants to... Anyway, let's do this. Worry about that later. Let's do this div nth of type. Let's do the second one. This one I do not want a border. As a matter of fact, what I can do is just to label this. That worked. And then this one I can just do a height, what say 40 pixels? Height of 40 pixels, width, let's say 150 pixels. Background. Yeah, that looks about right. Nth of type 3. And then this one, I can do a height. That one's probably like 50 pixels. Width should be the same as 150 pixels. Background be the same. And how did I do this border radius again? It ain't. Border radius 0, 0, and then bottom right, I think what would be, use some space between these. Gap, 20 pixels, there we go. 50%, 50% did not work. You know what? I think it might be the height. Oh, it did work. Really? Anyway, this needs to get pushed up. Why is... Okay, hold on. Body, margin, display grid, center, height, 100%, body, gap. Why is this first one... Oh, I think it's the height... No, the height is width. Oh, you know what? Let me take out the heights. There we go. I was wondering why it was doing that. Now it's... Oh, you know what? It looks like it needs to be wider. So the width... 160? 160. Look at that, boys. Okay, so now I just need to get this box shadow going on this first one. Let's see, box, if I can spell it right. Box shadow. Now this is on the left and right, so if I remember, 1 is negative, let's do the negative 20 pixels, and 0. Wait, why is it a square? Why is it in a circle? Oh, I did a border top. Alright, you know what? Let's screw this border. Let's take away this border, because we are just going to do a height and a width of 50 pixels. Height and width 50 pixels. With 2 width, because I am dumb. Anyway, height, width. Wait, I just spelled it. Oh, it's H-E-I. Really? No. How am I not spelling H-E-I-G-H-T? H. What is wrong? G-H-T. That's how you spell it. Really? Alright, so background is going to be this. Bada bing, bada boom. Then we're going to do border radius of 50%. And then we're going to do a color of the same one we just did. See now, Bugsy? Let's just do one. Okay, so that was probably gonna be like 60, right? But why is it? Okay, I need to do them both right then. Wait, is this even positioned? Oh, that's still too big. Okay, so that's fine. So I just need it to the right. So let's just take away this -1. There we go. And then let's do another one with 120 pixels, 0. And will you look at that? I have done it. I have finally done it without any looking up anything. So I just use this. Do I need to refactor anything here? All the divs are all the same color, so I can actually just do this. Let's see, because this one right here is this color, this color. These are, okay, yeah. Let's take away this. I'm cutting you, putting you right back here. Taking away this one. Let's refactor this. That's, oh, nope. Oh, you know what? It was because this is 160 and this is 160. But I don't really want to do all that just for one property. Everything looks fine, right? The difference? There's like no difference. Okay. Let's see what my score is going to be. And really, a low 602. I was hoping for a 615, 611. I mean, how else are you doing this? Anyway, this is my solution. I'm assuming there's probably a better way of doing this, but you know what? It works. It works. So, yeah. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this mess of a video. And, yeah, leave a comment. Let me know how y'all, your thinking process. Anyway, I'll add some music to this little thing and be on my way. Thank you for coming.